Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impression on these booty bands that I bought from Amazon. So let's get into it. Okay, so I know this is going to seem like a very random unboxing video on my channel, which it is, but my channel is very random. I like to just kind of share things that I buy at the time, and maybe you guys would want it too, or like it too, or be interested in the topic. Make sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and let's get on with the show. Okay, so I bought the 3 workout bands. This was like the most affordable, cheapest booty bands that I could find on Amazon or even on other websites. Even Shein sells one for $5. Granted, it was like printed with like lips or different designs, but I didn't really look into the details. But it was just one, and I don't know what the strength was or the width of the size. But I looked on Amazon and I found 3 for less than $7. This was $6.30 something, I believe. But yeah, anyways, once it comes in the package just like this, once you just unzip this little Ziploc bag, it has an instruction how to use, and it shows you the moves and pictures, which is really helpful. Hopefully you can see this. And then it just has a little thank you card with their information. This is a brand called Gina? I don't know how to say that, but let's just take this out. I will put the link for this exact item, if it's still available at the time of watching, for you to click on for more detailed information, description, and if you want to purchase it. Let me just show you, let's see, the barcode in case you're interested. There, okay, that was useless. All right, so it comes in this really cute mesh bag, which is handy because it does let it breathe and stuff if you sweat. Look at this, this is cute. A cute little trio. So you get black, pink, blue, pink, or green, I'm not sure. They are individually wrapped. Let's just open this one up since it's the first one. I'm guessing this is the lightest. Sorry if you don't like these plastic bag noises, but I'm trying to find the opening. Isn't there like a flap? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I found it. So if you're new to my channel, I do everything, excuse me, I do everything by feel. I can't see that well, so that's why it takes me so long to unbag something. Anyways, this is what the band looks like. It has their logo on here and their sealing patch here. So this is where the loop gets sewn together, and it does feel really sturdy and well made. Look at that. So here's the first band. And I will be making additional videos on my weight loss journey, workout routine. I'm gonna try to lose weight because this whole quarantine pandemic mess has definitely affected my body. Weight gain wise, I kind of let myself go. I'm the heaviest I've ever been in my whole life. Actually, not my whole life, I take that back. Non-pregnant, okay? Like, I'm the heaviest I've ever been when I wasn't pregnant. So I figured it's time to do something about it. Even though I'm homely and I stay home all the time, even before everything happened, I just kind of was like, oh, if you go out, you can like be risking your life, and it just causes a lot of anxiety and stress. And I was like, oh, if I'm just stuck at home anyways, I might as well just eat whatever I want, live my life, you know, YOLO. But then I was like, it's starting to pack on the pounds, and I'm looking a little too frumpy, dumpy, and lumpy for my liking. So yes, anyways, you will be seeing my body reveal, and if you're new to my channel, haven't watched my super old videos, face reveal soon coming up in a couple months, though I'm not sure. I might do weekly updates, I might do monthly updates. I haven't really planned out the details so far. First step was to get these booty bands to motivate me to at least start doing something, even though this may not be a lot of this is more like an activation workout. It's not really like a full workout, but to most people. But since I'm coming from basically zero exercise to doing something, I figured this is a good start. Anyways, I'm not sure what color this is. I think this is either light blue or mint green. I'll have to ask my son. But yeah, really well made. Has anti-slip rubber, kind of like this little rubber lining. Can you hear that? Two of them in there. This is a cloth elastic. Yeah, really well made for the price. I'm surprised. Like, I would expect a company to sell maybe one of these for $6 or $7 or $5, but this is 3. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stretch it, see if I can fit on frame. Oh, that's still pretty hard for me. I think either I'm super weak. No, that's probably it. I was gonna say, or this is not the lightest one, but I'm pretty sure this is the lightest one. So let's just open up the rest so we can see what that's like. So I get a pink. Is that pink? Or maybe it's purple. I don't know. I am colorblind, so I don't remember what the description said. But yeah, really nice mesh carrying bag, so you can bring it if you go out to the gym, or you have a gym or something. If the gyms are reopened, you can just take this and it kind of airs out your thing, so it doesn't trap sweat and smell in there, which is really cool. All right, let's see if I can open these a little faster. Oh, there we go. This one looks purple, like lavender? Lavender, right? I don't know. Let me know in the description below what colors these are. But yeah, this one has the same, all of them are lined with this rubber grip. Can you see that? Let me show you really close up. And then this elastic, look at that. It's like woven and sewn so well. I really can't imagine this wearing out or breaking. And this one, I can tell, oh gosh, I can't even stretch this one. Like barely, it's so strong. This one must be medium. And I'm pretty sure this black one is going to be the toughest. Let me just put them side by side so we can see if they are the same length or not. I think they are the same length. No, slightly. So the medium one is slightly shorter. So I guess these, so there are some booty bands that are all the same, like hoop length or like width, but the tension is variant. So like they'll be all the same height, length, whatever, but one will be stronger than the other. And it's just based on, I guess, the type of elastic they use. But this one goes by length. So that could be a con to this product, depending on your size, because let's say you have like thicker thighs and you already mastered the beginning one and it's too easy and you need to up your resistance. Well, this one, maybe if your thighs are thicker, you may not be as comfortable, or it might be more limiting because you don't have that width. But then again, it's maybe more of a challenge, more of a workout. So yeah, it just depends. But definitely something to consider when purchasing. Okay, and this is the black one. Yeah, these are surprisingly well made, really good quality, really thick, really sturdy. It looks like it's about 2 inches in width, maybe even a little more. And then this also has the black rubber grip to keep it from slipping. It has their logo patch here on, just to secure the seam even more. But yeah, really well done. Definitely worth the price. Let's see if I can even stretch this one. Oh, barely. Very barely. Good Lord. that is gonna be tough, but I'm excited to work my way up to the black band. Let's see. But yeah, so just unboxing wise, first impression wise, without actually trying them, yeah, I would say get it if you're looking for a booty band. Let's see, are these actually, they are so similar. They might actually be the same length. No, I don't think so. This green one seems just slightly longer. They're like very close. Like it's not definitely too noticeable. Like this one for sure. But the black and the purple or pink are so similar. Like there's very, very slight difference. Like if you can see that. Probably a pinky's width apart from each of them. So it's not something like super significant where it would cause that problem if you're using the green one and then you just don't fit into this one for higher resistance, even if you have like thicker thighs and stuff. So yeah, maybe that won't be an issue for you. But yeah, excited to try this out. I'm going to start my booty blast, bubble butt workout plan. Just basically get toned, get fit, get more active, because I haven't, basically this whole quarantine time, I haven't done any kind of physical activity, no working out, not even walking really. So yeah, it's definitely affected my body shape and just the way I feel. So I want to do something better, make a change. And definitely these bands were worth the price. I mean, less than $7. Of course, if you add tax and if you don't have Prime, it's going to be a little more, but still definitely less than $10. I'll put the link, like I said, down in the description below. But yeah, really good quality, really good resistance. I'm going to try these on my legs. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Like our videos and we enjoyed today. Please don't computer. We will see you guys next time. Bye.